So you've heard the buzz about Amazon KDP, right? It's where all the cool, self-published authors are making their mark and money. But it's not just for novelists or seasoned writers. Whether you're dreaming of launching the next big novel or simply looking to dive into low-content publishing, think journals and planners, there's serious cash to be made on this platform. Here's the kicker. While the world of KDP may sound like a dream come true, it takes some strategy, creativity, and a touch of entrepreneurial spirit to actually start raking in those royalty payments. And guess what? You're in luck. I'm about to spill the beans on 10 tried and true tips that'll help you become an Amazon KDP money-making machine. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Focus on a niche. If you want to make money on KDP, the first thing you need to do is carve out your niche. Now, this isn't about just tossing random ideas at the wall and seeing what sticks. You need to dig a little deeper. A profitable niche is one that has high demand and low competition. Think of it as finding a tiny corner of the internet where your book can stand out and shine. Do some research on Amazon. Look at the categories, check out the competition, and see what books are getting lots of reviews but don't have too many rivals. This sweet spot is where you can sneak in and establish yourself as the go-to author in that genre. And hey, don't overthink it. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes, success is just about finding a hungry audience and feeding them what they crave. Pro tip: use tools like Publisher Rocket or Amazon's autocomplete search feature to find keywords and niches that can help you zone in on what's hot but not oversaturated. Create high-quality covers. You know the saying, don't judge a book by its cover? Yeah, well, forget that when it comes to KDP. People definitely judge books by their covers. And let's be real, a bad cover can be a death sentence for even the greatest of books. Your cover is your first chance to grab someone's attention, so don't cheap out here. Invest in a professional-looking, eye-catching cover that clearly conveys what your book is all about. You don't need to drop thousands on a designer. There are affordable options out there like Fiverr or even Canva, where you can DIY a stunning cover. The goal is to look polished and professional, even if you're publishing your first book. Optimize keywords and categories. Amazon is essentially one giant search engine, and your book's success hinges on being discoverable. Keywords and categories are your golden ticket to making that happen. Think of them as breadcrumbs you're leaving behind to guide readers to your masterpiece. When you upload your book to KDP, Amazon lets you choose up to 7 keywords and 2 categories. Choose wisely. You want your book to appear in searches where it has a chance of standing out. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Publisher Rocket to find relevant keywords with good search volume and low competition. Similarly, find categories where you can compete without being swallowed up by the giants. Pro tip: aim for niche subcategories rather than broad ones. Romantic comedy might be oversaturated, but cozy culinary romance with cats could be the sweet spot you didn't know you needed. Want to make money on KDP without spending weeks or months writing? Enter the world of low-content books. These beauties include things like journals, planners, notebooks, and coloring books. They don't require much written content, but they still hold massive appeal for specific audiences. The best part? Low-content books are relatively easy and quick to create. You don't need to be an author. You just need to be creative and tap into what people want. Take a look at the low-content book market on Amazon and see what's trending. Whether it's gratitude journals or daily planners, find your niche and get publishing. Amazon's KDP Select program can be a game changer for authors looking to get more eyes on their work. By enrolling in KDP Select, you're giving Amazon exclusive rights to distribute your ebook for 90 days. And in return, you get access to some sweet promotional tools like Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions. These tools can help you boost your book's visibility, which is crucial for generating sales and gaining reviews. Sure, giving away your book for free might seem counterintuitive, but it's a proven strategy for building your readership and driving long-term sales. I know, building an email list might sound like something straight out of an online marketing manual, but trust me, it works. Think of your email list as your direct line to your readers. It's a way to nurture relationships, offer exclusive updates, and let people know about your latest books or promotions. Once you have an email list, every time you release a new book, you'll have a ready-made audience to pitch it to. And nothing spikes Amazon sales like a bunch of enthusiastic readers all buying your book at once. Start by adding a link to your website or email sign-up at the end of your book. Offer readers a freebie, like a short story or printable, in exchange for their email address, and boom, you've got yourself a list. Amazon ads might sound intimidating, but they're an effective way to get your book in front of people who are actively searching for something to read. Think of ads as a shortcut to gaining visibility, especially in competitive niches. The great thing about Amazon ads is that they're pay per click. meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. You can start with a small budget, experiment, and see what works best for your book. Test different keywords, ad copy, and target audiences until you find a winning formula. You've nailed your keywords, categories, and cover. Now it's time to get your description game on point. A compelling book description is what converts casual browsers into buyers. But here's the trick. Keep it concise, engaging, and make it about the reader. Highlight the benefits of reading your book, use short sentences, and break things down with bullet points. Tell potential readers exactly what they can expect and why they'll love it. The more irresistible you can make your description, the more likely people are to click buy. Print on demand, PO'd, is one of KDP's most powerful features. It lets you offer physical copies of your book without having to invest in a huge print run up front. No inventory, no warehouse. Just upload your manuscript and cover, and Amazon will handle the rest. Pod is especially great for low-content books like journals and planners. People love to buy physical versions of these, and the best part? Every time someone orders a copy, Amazon prints it and ships it directly to them. It's a low-risk way to add another revenue stream to your KDP business. Here's a little secret. People love series and bundles. If you can create a series of books, whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or even low content, you're encouraging repeat customers. Readers who loved book 1 are going to want book 2 and book 3. You get the idea. Another tactic is bundling. If you have several related books, create a bundle and sell them as a package. Not only can you charge more for the bundle, but readers will feel like they're getting more value, which increases your chances of making a sale. In conclusion, making money with Amazon KDP is all about strategy, creativity, and persistence. Whether you're publishing novels, nonfiction, or low-content books, these 10 tips will help you navigate the platform and boost your earnings. So grab your laptop, pick your niche, and get ready to join the ranks of successful KDP publishers.